एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड रिसेंटली जैसे कि आपको पता है आई हैव ट्रैवल फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू कोलकाता बाय इंडियन रेलवे विथ माय फरी फ्रेंड्स. सो आई हैव टू cats if you all know, and first let me introduce you to my cats. So that's about my cat. So I have two cats and I have traveled with them from Bangalore to Kolkata via Indian Railway, and in this video I'm going to share all the details to how to plan a travel with your pets, including everything. Watch this video till ends because I'm going to share each and every detail so that it will be easier for you and you can have a better picture in your head to plan a travel with your pets. First, what you have to do, you have to book a ticket in first AC. So अगर आप first AC में टिकट बुक नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपका पेट्स आपके साथ नहीं रह सकता है. They'll make sure कि आपका पेट आपके साथ ना हो. They'll take your pets and they'll keep them in the guard room. So guard room is basically the thing is like they are going to have a kennel over there for your pets, and for foods and everything they are going to call you in each and every hour. अगर ऐसा होता है then obviously you are not going to have a good experience while traveling. So to avoid that, what you have to do, you have to book 2 tickets minimum, what I'll suggest, because if you are a single pet owner and you are traveling with your pets, you have to book 2 tickets in first AC, and you are in the preference you have to choose Coupe for that, so that they will allot you a Coupe. Like your chances will get higher to get a Coupe. Okay, so first thing you have to book a ticket. Second, what you have to do, you have to visit the vet to get a certificate, to get a health certificate of your pet. So they will check the last vaccination date, the dewormings, etc, etc, and they are going to issue a certificate mentioning that your pet is fit to travel. Okay, 2 things done, 1 ticket, second is your pet. Okay, now what you have to do, before 2 days of your traveling date, what you have to do, you have to write an application to the chief reservation officer. Got it? So you have to write an application saying that please allow me to travel with my pets. Like in my case, I have to ask for permission so that I can get a Coupe allotment because I don't want to travel any of my co-passengers. So like that. So in the description box below I will mention the format again so that you can go ahead and refer that document. So it's a simple application you have to write to the chief reservation officer. So with that application, what you have to do, you have to attach 1 copy of your pet certificate, like pet travel certificate, that's what you're going to get from your vet, and then you have to attach your ID card, one of your ID card like Aadhaar, PAN card, etc, and then your booking details. So these 3 things are mandatory to write an application for a Coupe allotment or a cabin allotment. So now what is a Coupe allotment and what is a cabin allotment? So if you are traveling single and you have 1 pet, then you have to book 2 tickets for a Coupe. So Coupe is basically going to have 2 berths in a small cabin. And what is cabin? Cabin is having 4 berths. So if you are traveling with your friends or you are having more than 2 person along with you, then you have to go for a cabin. So for a cabin you have to choose, again you have to write an application to the chief reservation officer mentioning that please allow me to travel with my pets and please allot a cabin to me, and here is my travel details. These things needs to be done before the traveling date, at least 2 days before your travel, so that they can prepare the chart accordingly. बिकॉज फर्स्ट AC में जो होता है वहाँ पे आपको सीट नंबर नहीं मिलता है. जब बुकिंग के टाइम में आपका सीट नंबर आपको मिलेगा 4 hours बिफोर ट्रैवलिंग. ओके, सो टिल नाउ व्हाट यू हैव डन, टिकट्स हो गया, एप्लीकेशन हो गया, पेट सर्टिफिकेट हो गया. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द डेट ऑफ ट्रैवल. ओके, नाउ इन द ट्रैवलिंग डेट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मेक श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू रीच द स्टेशन at least prior 2-3 hours from your departure time, and what you have to do, you have to travel there in the platform and you have to go to the parcel office. So parcel office, you have to carry your pets along with you. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको पार्सल ऑफिस जाना है और पार्सल ऑफिस में जाके आपको उनका वेट मेजर करवाना है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वेट दे आर गोइंग टू इशू अ पास. So pass is basically looks like a receipt. I'll mention the details. I'll mention a copy of the pass in the description box below so that you can refer to it. So उस पास में क्या लिखा होता है कि according to their weight they are going to give you you have to pay some amount to them. Like for me, I have 2 cats and I have paid around 400 rupees. So like that you have to pay. What will happen if you are not going to get a pass? What is going to happen? So if you first they will ask you if you have written an application to the chief reservation officer or not. So if you haven't written an application, they will not going to give you a pass because they are not sure that if you are going to get a coupe or a cabin. If they are not going to issue a pass to you, then what you have to do, you have to convince your co-passenger कि अगर वो लोग अलाउ कर देते तो किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. बट अगर आपके पास पास नहीं है देन TT will come and ask you for a fine. Fine can up to be into 8 of the amount of that pass based on, they are not going to calculate based on the on your pet's weight. They are going to directly charge you a lump sum amount. So it's like that. So avoid that, make sure कि आपने सारा पिछला वाला स्टेप कर लिया हो एंड आपको आपके जर्नी के टाइम में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. तो ये सारा प्रोसेस है आप जब तक ट्रैवल कर रहे हो. अब इसके बाद और कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है. इसके बाद आप डायरेक्ट जा सकते हो. आपके जो कूपे आपको मिलेगा या फिर आपको जो केबिन मिलेगा अलॉट होगा वहाँ पे जाके आप सेटअप कर सकते हो. मेक श्योर कि आपके पास वो सारी चीज़ें हो जिसके लिए आपका पेट कंफर्टेबल हो. मेक श्योर लिटर बॉक्स या फिर अगर डॉग है तो उसको आप लीश लेके जा सकते हो और बाहर घुमाने लेके जा सकते हो बीच बीच में जहाँ पे स्टेशन आता हो. और अगर कैट है तो फिर आप लिटर बॉक्स कैरी करो. उनके लिए थोड़ा बहुत एक बड़ा सा बॉक्स ले लो जिसमें वो लोग कंफर्टेबली रह सके और उनका खाना पीना एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी देयर विथ यू. अदरवाइज़ अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो और आपको कुछ ज़रूरत पड़ गया तो आपको वो नहीं मिलने वाला है. तो बिफोर प्लानिंग मेक श्योर कि आप सारा चीज़ें अपने साथ रखो और एक सही और अगर आपको अपने पेट्स के साथ ट्रैवल करना हो तो मेक श्योर कि आप ये प्लान 1-2 महीने पहले से ही स्टार्ट कर दो ताकि कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो आगे जाके. सो दिस इज़ इट फॉर द वीडियो गाइज. आई होप यू फाइंड इट हेल्पफुल. इफ यू फाइंड इट हेल्पफुल डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव इट अ थम्स अप एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल ऑल्सो and do let me know if you have any question, and I am going to mention all the details in the description box below so that you can go ahead and refer to it. And if you have any other question, please let me know. I'll happy to help you out. So see you on my next video guys. Bye.